Hey everyone, welcome back, and today we're talking about the camera you should buy for YouTube as a starter. Now let me tell you this, everyone will have a different answer to this, so I'm not going to say, oh, you should go and buy the Canon M50 like everybody does, even though that's the one I bought. I'm going to tell you my decision making and make it as hopefully as easy as 3 steps. These are the things that I boiled it down to, and I hope this helps you. The first question is always, can you afford it? Now, I don't mean do you have that amount of money sat there in your bank. What I mean is, can you afford to pay that amount of money for that camera without putting financial stress on your household? Now think about that really carefully before you pull the trigger on any piece of gear, and make a decision as a household if it's not just you that is involved in that money. The next thing that I think is so important as a first-time YouTuber is, are you going to be able to take that camera everywhere with you? Imagine trying to take a red Komodo around with you all the time. You're never going to vlog on that. You're never going to start recording things just off the cuff because, that looks cool, I could put that in a video. Or I could just grab the camera out right now and do a vlog. You need to make sure that that camera can go with you all the time. Of course, there will be some people that will disagree with that. Someone that is going to do all of their videos in a static place. Of course, yet there are some exceptions to the rule, but 9 times out of 10 as a YouTuber, you are going to want to take that camera. So make sure it's portable. And the very last question that really brought it home to me was, is this camera going to make my life easier or more difficult? The first thing that worried me about editing a video, and that I realised I knew nothing about, was colour correction. I realised that if I did have a camera that would require lots of colour correction, it would make my YouTube videos take longer to create. And that is why, when I looked at the budget, when I looked at portability, and when I looked at colours that look great straight out of camera, no messing about with it, I came up with the Canon M50 as the one that would be right for me. I hope those questions were really helpful for you if you are struggling to choose a camera for starting a YouTube channel. And as always, keep learning.